How to set Spotify song as ringtone on Android or iOS. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. If you also want to add in the song from your Spotify as your default ringtone for your mobiles, let me show you how it's done. Now if you tried searching for this option by opening up Spotify, you would see that there is no option of setting in any song as your ringtone on Spotify. So in this case, what you'll need to do is do a different method. Either you can record your screen while playing the song on Spotify and then later convert that video into a MP3 file, or the second thing that you can do is download a YouTube video and convert that YouTube video into an MP3 file. So depending upon what you want, you can either search for MP4 to MP3 converter, or you can also search for YouTube video converter. Now using these websites, depending upon which option you want to go for, you can easily convert either YouTube videos into MP3 files. If you recorded your screen, you can convert MP4 file, which is the video file, into an MP4. Just convert the videos and download it, and once the song has been downloaded, you can easily set that song as your ringtone on your phone. So these are the only ways that you can do it, and there is no separate option called set ringtone within the app of Spotify. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.